Springtime homeowner maintenance inspection, affordable solutions for common issues. Spring marks a time for homeowners to rejuvenate their homes, focusing on structural integrity, energy efficiency, and electrical safety to maintain them as their sanctuaries. Budget-friendly tips for springtime maintenance home inspections include DIY repairs for minor structural flaws and professional consultations for complex issues. It is important to seal gaps and upgrade insulation to boost energy efficiency. Additionally, replacing faulty outlets and managing wires are crucial for electrical safety. Emphasizing proactive maintenance and regular inspections, this approach encourages homeowners to ensure their homes reflect personal pride, safety, and efficiency in the spirit of spring's renewal.